Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Loach is my name. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. And today's topic is this: business lessons from Chris Kirubi and money lessons from Chris Kirubi. You see, Chris Kirubi came to the University of Nairobi in 2015. He was talking to us about money and investing. He returned again to the University of Nairobi in 2016. And Chris Kirubi has been coming to the University of Nairobi many times to talk to students. And then we had National Leadership Forum in 2020, 2018, 2019, 2020. And Chris Kirubi came to the University of Nairobi many times talking to us. And me, I am a permanent comrade. I've been a comrade for 20 years and I've never left the university. And on all those occasions I've met Chris Kirubi. And these are the lessons I learned from Chris Kirubi. 1, save and invest. Chris Kirubi told us this, that he was born a poor boy and they grew up in poverty. And he struggled through life, like many of us. Chris Kirubi told us that when he started working, he started saving from day one. And he has learned that savings is the gateway to growing wealth. The beginning of wealth creation is 1, saving. Without saving, you cannot grow wealth. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with 1 step. And that 1 step is what? Saving. And it's not just saving alone. After saving, you need to learn to grow money. The richest man in Babylon, George Clason, tells us this. He gives a story of a man who was struggling and was deeply indebted to people. He owed people a lot of money in debts. So the message being passed in the book is this: save. Out of your income, you can save 10%, you can save 20%, you can save 30%, you can save 40%. Currently, I'm working at saving 50%, and very soon, I hope to save 100%. I am working on that, to save 100%. In fact, after a year or 2, I believe I'll be saving 300% and 400% and 500% of my income. Saving is very, very important. That is what Chris Kirubi told me. The other thing he told me is the value of investing. And he told us that investing grows money. He gave us examples of centum. There were days when centum was about 5 shillings, 10 shillings. Then centum grew to 10 shillings, 20 shillings, 30 shillings, 40 shillings. Then by the time he was talking to us, centum was about 40 shillings. A month or 2 after talking to us, centum was 80 shillings, 84 shillings. So I learned one thing from Chris Kirubi, that investing has a way of growing money over time. And for me, that was very important. There's another thing also Chris Kirubi told us. And Chris Kirubi told us that investing is a marathon, it's a long time thing. Chris Kirubi told us that it has taken him 44 years to be where he was. And his aim was to be a $1 billionaire, to have 100 billion Kenya shillings at that time. And one thing I learned from Chris Kirubi is one thing. It takes a while. Investing is a marathon. And you don't become rich quickly. You don't become rich day one. It takes a long time to build wealth. It takes a long time to compound wealth. And this is what I want you to know. It is not a quick rich scheme. And investing in the stock market is not a quick rich scheme. You will not get rich overnight. It will take you a while to get rich. You will require patience and you will require discipline. And as Chris Kirubi departed us, my prayer is may the Almighty Lord rest his soul in eternal peace. That is my tribute to Chris Kirubi. He taught us a lot of things that I may not be able to share all. But his lessons are ingrained in me. And I'll be sharing them with you in the long time to come. And for many times that I'll be sharing and making videos, his lessons are inculcated in me. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I have a request, subscribe to this channel. I have another request, join our Telegram group and learn the principles of saving and investing and more so in the stock market. Bye bye, asante sana.